Hi there. Welcome to my channel. Here is my immigration experience in Canada as an international student. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. For me it took 3 hours to done with immigration, so tell the person who comes to pick up you it will take minimum 2 hours for immigration. So my first tip is after landing in Canada, go to arrival session as early as possible. Be ready, come fast from the flight. After coming you can see directions for arrival and connecting flights. Just go to your arrival place, there will be machines available, which looks like ATM machine. There you have select language option first, then it will ask you questions like if you are coming Canada on study or on work visa. Then you have to keep your passport on that machine, it will show how to keep your passport in its display, then it will capture your photo. After that it will ask you questions like how long is your stay? Do you have any COVID symptoms? And do you brought any things which are not allowed like cooked eggs, meat or anything else? Is your things and money you have is more than $10,000, and you have to answer all these questions like yes no options. Then it will give you a slip, you should go to queue with that. Then when people in the counter call one by one, if you go there they will ask your passport Aravican app, and if you are returning student or new student, any person who came to Canada for the first like on student visa or visitor visa or on work permit have to go to immigration. If you are a returning student then from this counter you can go, but as we are new they will keep a sticker on our passport and send us to immigration counters, then have to go to another queue which is in another room. There will be immigration officer issue study permit. To issue this they will ask you college acceptance letter, then they will issue study permit. No other documents required, but please take all other documents as well. You can find the documents video link in description. If you have co-op then on your visa beside S there will be W, then they will issue work permit as well for them. If you have only S then they will give only study permit. On this permit you can work 20 hours per week. If you have any doubts comment below. After taking the study permit you can go down to the baggage area, there will be displays available where you can see flight number displaying you luggage pole number, then you have go there and collect the luggage. From there you have to give back the slip which is you got from the machine. After that just before the exit gate they ask you to give the sticker which is pasted on your passport at the border service counter, then go to exit. There you can see directions for car parking and gates. Ask the person who came to pick up you through which gate you have to go, where to go like parking or any particular gate. If you feel this video is helpful please click on like. If you have any doubts do comment.